Hi, welcome back to my channel, Sparkle and Glue. Father's Day is coming. So, it was brought to my attention that all of my designs, or most, are all floral and very pretty, but nothing masculine, nothing dads or sons or anyone that likes fishing or hunting. So I made a collection that's just for them. It doesn't have to be only for dads. I know a lot of moms and women like fishing and hunting, and that's awesome. So this is for you too. But I'm going to show you the collection, and then we'll put it together so you can see how it looks. So the cover looks like a weathered cover. And we're just going to fold them in half, and it has the binding here. And then what I did is, I thought this might be pretty as the inside cover. You certainly can put anything you want inside. And this is just kind of little pictures taped up. And then the pages. So there's quite a few. This is a lot of the hunting and the rifles. And there's turkey hunting, and there's fishing and deer hunting, and I tried to cover everything that I could. A lot of maps and more maps. Little fishing logbook. They can write down what they caught, what they used for bait, and the weight. This is the some lures that can. I don't know how accurate this is, so I asked my husband. He said so accurate. So anyway, but it's a fun page. I like it, and I hope it's okay. So just some more mix of hunting, fishing. Then, of course, I had to add some pretty pages in, and I don't know how realistic it is maybe with the flowers, but I really liked it. So this is just maybe what a hunter would see out in the woods, and fishing. These just looked like a really pretty place I would want to be. And you can use those for background pages, and then background page map. I gave you a very, very neutral, so you can add whatever you want. And then, of course, some camo. Can't forget that. All right. And for the fun stuff. So a lot of little, I guess, icons of, you can cut them out and put them where you want them, or you could use them as a belly band or as a pocket. And then just a lot of labels and tickets. Some of them are funny, fish stories, tales of the grit and gill. There's the one that got away somewhere here. Hunt tales. Just fun, some little more tags. You can put dates, locations. So I gave you plenty of those. Yeah. Anyway, the lure that delivers. I don't know. Just to have a little fun with that. I also added a page you can use as washi tape, or just cut out little pieces and glue them on where you feel like you want them. And some titles, World's Greatest, and you can add it to whatever you want. Legendary Hunter, Greatest Fisherman, Turkey Caller, Master of the Outdoors. Just a couple little books you can fold up. And then this is some vintage labels from ammunition and some gear. So outdoor, this was Winchester fine wool pants, and then you have your 38 special and just all kinds of really fun tags, and I thought maybe we could cut these out and make them like pockets in the book. Okay, well, it's 22 pages, or 21 pages, I believe. And now that you've got a look at it, let me go ahead and I'm going to print some of my background pages on the backs, and then we'll go ahead and I'll cut it up and show you what we come up with. All right, thanks. All right, well, it's all cut up and put together, and let's take a look. First, I just want to let you know, I had some oral surgery on my mouth. I have stitches and I had teeth pulled and my mouth is swollen and I'm black and blue. I had it on Wednesday, and I've been trying to not do videos because you couldn't understand me talk before. I do think it's getting better, but I know it's not perfect. So I apologize if you can't understand something I'm saying. I am sorry. But I really wanted to do some videos. So, all right. So let's talk about our book that we did, like I said, for Father's Day. But any moms or women or anyone that want to use this for hunting or fishing, or please do so. Yeah, I think that's great. All right, so here's our leather cover, and I mean, I know it's just paper, but it really does give me the feel of a worn leather journal, and I'm really liking it. And then I glued this on, and I don't think I showed you this in the right before, the video before, but that it's included, and it's just cut out and put on here. And I also am including some Father's Day, just a few things that say Father and Grandpa. So, all right, here's the cover, and then what I did is I stapled it, my long arm stapler, which I really like. It's just so quick and easy. So there's just 3 staples. You can't hardly even really see them, and if you can certainly cover that up with washi tape or anything. But anyway, so I did staple them, and there are so many pages and so many things you can fill up in here. I spent the whole day doing it, and I didn't even finish everything that was in it. I tried, I really did. But anyway, I'll just go ahead. I know you've seen all the papers, so I'm just going to show it to you put together. And this is where I just cut the page and made a pocket, and then I cut out some of the pages that, with the waterfalls, and made long tags. And then some of the little ephemera tags, I didn't print anything on the back of these, but I made a little hole and then just put a piece of string together, and it made just like a little dangle on the tags, kind of cute. And then just some ephemera, and I put one of the, there is so many pieces, and I just put one and did a little pocket here. And then I cut a corner pocket, and what I did is I measured 4 by 4 in a square, and then just cut diagonal and glued it in the corner. And I did the same with this, and then just glued a little piece on. And here's just some more of the ephemera that come with the kit, and just more pages and the forest. And what I did with the label is I just made a belly band. I just kind of loosely cut right around and glued it, and that's all I did. So it's just a single page. And then this is just a tag I made, and I glued some of the ephemera on it and then cut along the tag so it lined up. and that came out pretty cute, I think. And let's see. Oh, this, I don't know what I'm doing with this. Like I said, there is a lot of ephemera with this kit. So I had this, I guess it's burlap, and I'm not even sure what it's from. Here, it might have come on something, a gift basket. I don't remember, and I'm sorry, but all I did is I took the ephemera and some of my 3-in-1 glue, and I just glued pieces on to this. And I'm not sure, again, what I'm going to do with it. You know, maybe it could be like a closure for the book. I'm not really sure. But, hey, listen, this is how you find things. This is just a piece of the paper, and I just tore it and inked it and made a pocket. And I made a little flip page with one of the pages, and all I did was scored at a 1/2 inch right here and folded. And then on the back, because I didn't have anything printed on it, I just glued pieces of the paper that we had. And I tore some of it and then just glued it on. I glued a piece of the map. And then here I covered the flap because it didn't, I don't remember what it was underneath, but it didn't look that great. So I just covered it with one of these pieces of paper. And the paper itself is pretty cool. I mean, because it has so many different things on it, it almost looks decorated, and it's not. That's just the page. I added another one of the pockets here and made a long tag with the forest or the lake. And I did another belly band with some of the ephemera. I just glued it, and not in any special order. I just took a piece like this and then just started gluing pieces on. And made another belly band. And this is just 2 pieces of the paper. And I'm going to show you guys this in another video, or whatever, but I just got this stamp and I love it. So it does 4 different things with the tags, and one of them, it cuts the bottom out just like that. Here, I'll show you. So it has to be 1.5, I believe, or it doesn't fit. And it makes the little tail. And then this side makes the hole, so you can just slide like a piece of paper in here and fold it. Obviously do a better job. I didn't rip it very well, but and make your little tab right on top. And that's really cute. So and then this makes a hole. Everything, it is small though. Did that work? Yeah. Okay. So it made a little hole, and the other side is supposedly like a corner punch, and so yeah, it makes just a little one for a tag. So that's kind of cute. Anyway, I did the bottom, made the little tails, glued something on from the kit, and then added a little tiny brad that I had and stuck it on. And that is the book. So I hope you guys like this, and it will be in the Ko-fi shop. It is 22 pages, and like I said, I've just not normally done, anything like this. Most of my stuff, you know, is all like a lot of flowers and purples and bright, and this is different, but I really had a lot of fun with it. I really did enjoy it, so I'm glad I gave it a try. Anyway, thanks so much for stopping by my channel. I hope you have a awesome weekend, and I'll catch you on the next video. Keep sparkling.